In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a note as a web HTML file. This is a really useful skill if you want to back up your notes, share them with someone who doesn't use the same app, or open them in a web browser or website editor later on. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll explain what each action actually does so you know exactly what's happening on your screen. First, start by opening your Notes application and locating the specific note you want to export. Take a moment to make sure this is the final version of the note, since what you export will be exactly what's currently saved. If you need to, quickly scan for any typos or missing information before you continue. Once you've found the right note, click to select it so that it opens fully on your screen. You should now see the complete contents of that note. At the top right corner of the note, look for the three dots icon. This is often called the More Options or Overflow menu, and it's where many advanced or less frequently used actions are stored. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When you do, a drop-down or pop-up menu will appear with several options related to that note. Among these options, look for one labeled Export. This is the feature that allows you to save your note in different formats outside of the app itself. Click on Export. After selecting this, you may see a small submenu or dialog box offering different export formats. From these choices, you want to select Export as Web HTML. HTML is the standard language used to create web pages, which means your note will be saved in a format that can be opened in any modern web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. When you choose Export as Web HTML, your device will typically open a save dialog, asking where you'd like to store the exported file. Pick a folder that you can easily find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated documents folder. You can also give the file a clear name that helps you recognize it at a glance. After you confirm the location and